Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing a review of a fantastic product that's been a game changer for my sewing journey, Sewing Pattern Secrets. As someone who loves to sew, I know how frustrating it can be to deal with confusing patterns, ill-fitting garments, and wasted fabric. Sewing Pattern Secrets promises to eliminate those struggles and take your sewing skills to the next level. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. What are Sewing Pattern Secrets? Sewing Pattern Secrets is a comprehensive program designed to teach you everything you need to know about understanding, interpreting, and modifying sewing patterns. It includes video tutorials, downloadable guides, and expert tips that cover a wide range of topics, from basic pattern reading to advanced techniques. My experience with Sewing Pattern Secrets. I've been using Sewing Pattern Secrets for a few months now, and I can honestly say it's been a revelation. The program is incredibly well organized and easy to follow, even for beginners. The instructors are clear, knowledgeable, and passionate about sewing, which makes learning fun and engaging. Benefits of Sewing Pattern Secrets. There are so many benefits to using Sewing Pattern Secrets. Here are just a few. Save time and money, no more wasted fabric or frustration with ill-fitting garments. Sewing Pattern Secrets will help you sew clothes that fit perfectly the first time. Boost your sewing skills, learn valuable techniques that will take your sewing to the next level. Unlock your creativity. Sewing Pattern Secrets empowers you to modify patterns and create unique, custom-made garments. Build confidence. Feel proud of the clothes you create with your newfound skills. Are Sewing Pattern Secrets right for you? If you're passionate about sewing and want to take your skills to the next level, then Sewing Pattern Secrets is absolutely for you. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn the basics and experienced sewers who want to refine their skills and unleash their creativity. If you're ready to transform your sewing experience, then I highly recommend checking out Sewing Pattern Secrets. There's a link in the description below where you can learn more and purchase the program. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your full sewing potential. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this review of Sewing Pattern Secrets was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to check out the link in the description to learn more about Sewing Pattern Secrets. Happy sewing!